how to introduce yourself. Hi, my name is Sumaya, and I'm 26 years old. I'm so excited to share my story with you. I come from a loving and supportive family, and they've played a huge role in shaping who I am today. I'm passionate about cooking, especially baking sweets and cakes, and I've turned that passion into a small business and a creative outlet through my YouTube channel and Instagram pages. Let me take you through my journey, from my childhood to where I am now, and my dreams for the future. My family is my rock. My father, Muhammad, is a teacher. He's always been a role model for me, teaching me the importance of education, hard work, and kindness. My mother, Aisha, is a homemaker, and she's the one who introduced me to the world of cooking. Her love for food and her creativity in the kitchen have always inspired me. My younger brother, Ali, is 21 and studying at university. He's my biggest supporter and always encourages me to follow my dreams. Together, we're a close-knit family, and I'm so grateful for their love and support. My love for cooking started when I was just a little girl. I remember sitting in the kitchen, watching my mom prepare meals. She made everything look so easy and magical. I was fascinated by how she could take simple ingredients and turn them into delicious dishes. Over time, I started helping her in the kitchen, and that's when I realized how much I enjoyed cooking. It wasn't just about the food, it was about the joy it brought to people and the way it brought our family together. My mom has been my greatest teacher. She taught me everything I know about cooking, from traditional family recipes to her special tricks for making everything taste amazing. One of my favorite memories is learning how to make basbousa, a sweet semolina cake that's a family favorite. She showed me how to balance the flavors and make the texture just right. Those moments in the kitchen with her are some of my most cherished memories. As I grew older, I started experimenting with baking on my own. I loved making sweets and cakes, and I would often surprise my family with new creations. At first, not everything turned out perfectly, but my family was always supportive and encouraged me to keep trying. My mom would give me tips, and my brother, Ali, was always happy to be my taste tester. Those early experiments helped me build my confidence and develop my skills. A few years ago, I decided to take my passion for baking to the next level. I started a small business from home, selling sweets and cakes to friends, family, and neighbors. At first, I was nervous. What if people didn't like what I made? But my mom was there to guide me, and my dad encouraged me to believe in myself. Slowly but surely, my little business started to grow. Word spread, and more people began ordering from me. It was such an exciting time, and I felt like I was finally doing something I truly loved. As my business grew, I wanted to share my love for baking with even more people. That's when I decided to start a YouTube channel. On my channel, I share step-by-step recipes for all kinds of sweets and cakes. I try to make my videos easy to follow so that anyone, whether they're a beginner or an experienced baker, can try them out. It's been amazing to connect with people from all over the world who share the same passion for baking as I do. In addition to my YouTube channel, I also started an Instagram page where I share photos of my creations, behind-the-scenes moments, and even some fun cooking challenges. Instagram has been a great way to connect with my audience and showcase my work. I love seeing people try my recipes and share their results with me. It's such a rewarding feeling to know that I'm inspiring others to bake and create. I couldn't have done any of this without my family's support. My mom has been my biggest cheerleader, always encouraging me and helping me perfect my recipes. My dad has been my rock, reminding me to stay focused and believe in myself. And my brother, Ali, is always there to test my new creations and give me honest feedback. Their love and encouragement have meant the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have them by my side. Of course, my journey hasn't been without its challenges. There were times when I doubted myself and wondered if I was good enough. There were also moments when things didn't go as planned, recipes that didn't turn out right, orders that took longer than expected, and days when I felt overwhelmed. But I've learned that challenges are a part of life, and they're what make us stronger. With the support of my family and my determination to keep going, I've been able to overcome those obstacles and keep moving forward. My dream is to one day open a large sweets bakery that's known all over the world for its unique and delicious recipes. I want to create a place where people can come together, enjoy amazing desserts, and feel the love and care that goes into every bite. I know it's a big dream, but I believe that with hard work, dedication, and a little bit of creativity, I can make it happen. I'm excited to see where this journey takes me, and I can't wait to share my creations with even more people. If there's one thing I've learned on this journey, it's that you should never be afraid to chase your dreams. No matter how big or small they are, if you work hard and stay focused, you can achieve anything. There will be challenges along the way, but those challenges are what make the journey worthwhile. So, if you have a dream, go for it. Take the first step, believe in yourself, and don't let anyone tell you it's impossible. Thank you for watching the video.